Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Subject today, talk about 5T I've been building with Taylor 71 Supreme motor. Anyway, what I'm doing today is actually taking out the KM 3-piece gearbox, which I modified to fit in there with the Taylor motor, because you just can't put the Taylor motor in with any other gearbox. Okay, so you got to do a bit of clearance issues on the gearbox, which stops the motor going straight in. And actually bit of massage on the gearbox, as you can see. That's what you have to do, is get the Taylor 71 in. Anyway, I'm just going to show you the difference from one to the other. As you see, it's very tight. Okay, it's muddy down the bottom down there where the problem is. Anyway, just to show the difference from putting a Taylor billet gearbox in. Okay, so you see the difference, the small clearances. So they, so Taylor made a gearbox to make sure it fits in with all their engines. Okay, on another subject, it's come across another problem. Your bulkheads on the rear, on the barger. Okay, so what I use the Rovan type aftermarket bulkheads. Okay, and using the Taylor uprights. Okay, what should have been done on listed Taylor's RCMAX website, that if you're buying the uprights for the with the shock up braces, okay, you need to buy the bulkheads that match these uprights. Alright, it doesn't say it on the website, but I'm telling you now, if you do buy these uprights, buy the bulkheads. There's a reason. Now, what I done is to make it all work, that the uprights on the rear for the shock tower don't fit in. Okay, so what I've done, you have to take 1.5 mil off that spot there where my thumb is, okay, to put in the standard Chinese bulkheads. Okay, obviously the Taylor rear bulkhead is machined out for this upright, which is a nice bit of gear. Okay, so I managed to take 1 mil and a bit off to get in. Okay, this is where the dilemma comes here. I didn't realise it. Using the Rovan bulkheads, I'll buy another set today. Hopefully it'll be in the end of the week. This is the problem that I just found. Okay, I must have tapped it too much on the hinge pins, and actually there's not much metal in that section there. It actually punched it out. But what you do notice is they have not drilled the holes in the bulkhead in centre. because I was looking when I was pulling apart again, the uprights for the shock brace are not sitting flush as they should be. Okay, so this is another problem. So I didn't realise till I pulled this apart to put this Taylor gearbox in, that how to whack the bulkheads with a drill the holes, even though it's bushed. It's pointless anyway putting bushes in there. It is and isn't. So you're going to get the wear on the upper swing arm. Okay, which should be bushed so you don't get any wear on that, because that's going up and down. So this is some of the things you got to watch, guys. These bulkheads, you wouldn't even notice it. Okay, just give you a quick look. So you got an alignment issue. Okay, so if you look on the back, yes, you can see that hole out of the center. So guys, strongly, you buy the shock uprights, buy the bulkheads. Okay, or else you have to do what I've done, is a bit of massage on the uprights, 1.5 mil to fit these bulkheads. Okay, and the problem you could occur, you got a misalignment. So realistic, this sort of buggered. I have to order a set today. Not a sort of cheap item, about 90 Australian dollars, Rovan ones, and hopefully I don't get the same issue. I got the same ones on the 5B. I don't have an issue with that. It's all good. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Plus putting the this is the last video. Got to put the heavy duty rear reg springs in. They won't just go straight in. This adjuster, got a machine to get the spring on, and the bottom perch holder, it's got to be done the same thing, put it on. Anyway, all good, guys. Just to let you know what you must do. So we're just gonna put this diff together. The heavy duty bearings, runs a locker, titanium bar shaft, and use the Taylor hex for your disc brakes, which I like that idea, that washer is sort of built into that hex thing. The plastic ones always hit the top plate. Awesome. Anyway, it's just a quick video and just an update on the 5B. I've been working on hubs. Okay, so I've done one side already. Tapped and drilled me hubs. Made a washer system aluminium on the outside, because I'm going to convert this to studs. Not running M4 bolts in and out, or else you're going to wear the thread out. So you see on the back, just a rough thing. I have machined the back for the clearance. So we're going to run studs on these 6.5 wheels from Rovan. Okay, yeah, the hubs are done, so I've got to tap the other hubs out. And then I just got to drill a hole for the pin, allow it to stay on your hubs, and do a groove to put the big O-rings on. Alright guys, I'm out. Just to give you quick tips when you're using Taylor gear and mixed with Rovan gear. I'm out.